I'm at the Rainforest restaurant with my friends. Very cool place. We are seated next to elephants. That's Tom and that's my friend.
Welcome to the rainforest.
What's going on?
I told you to bring it up.
It's getting dark. Oh, but what's that? It's fake thunder, fake lightning. What's that sound, Tom?
It's the elephants. You made the elephants angry.
Oh no! Oh no!
Are you hungry? Come join us.
Are they gonna take our food?
Maybe.
Oh no! My ancestor is happy that I'm here.
It's a little bit spicy, but it's good.
Yeah, I love it. So we're gonna eat. So see you guys. Bye. Don't disturb.
Yes.
They do their thing more often.
That's the survey we are going to answer. Please don't forget to write. I'm disappointed because I couldn't charge my phone. And
Okay,
it
where?
only cost how much, Tom?
348,000 yen.
52 yen.
For cents. Cents. Not
Cents.
yen.
52 cents a year.
A year.
Oh my goodness. It's not that much. So I suggest that you, owner, are you listening?
Am I going to ride it here, really?
Yes,
Are you
I'm serious. Because the next time I come here, I might run out of battery again.
But the name really here is Tom's name.
Okay, then it's if something is wrong, then goes wrong, then
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
Tom's Tom's fault.
Thanks a lot. Hear what I said about that.
This is the bar. You can come here alone and you can sit on this interesting